Hey Dads YouTube. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kaila. For those of you who do know, I have been tagged by Gary G's wife, Miss Elise, and I guess I'm supposed to tell my hobbies, but I don't really have any. I like to read, I play video games, but most of the time I'm working. No, I'm not at Wendy's anymore. I actually haven't worked at Wendy's in a long time. I am a CNA now, and I work at a nursing home. I love my job. I do. And well, I have me, my dad, and my uncle, we got a new hobby of ours. We went skydiving, and I won't speak too much on it because I'm sure my dad will take care of that. But sorry, I don't really have much to say. I'm 19 now. Just got my own place. Trying to do big girl things. Other than that, working and paying bills now. So life's pretty amazing. Adulting sucks. Yeah, that was just a little bit about me. Thank you, Miss Elise, for choosing me. Means a lot, really does. But thank you for watching. I'm not good at this. I don't know how to end it, so I'm just bye. I can't find the stop button on this thing.